Hi, summer school participants. Well, do you remember all this? Of course you do. And yeah, I'm missing you guys. But just a personal message of thanks for coming to the summer school. I love the fact that we got some time out here and we weren't just in a classroom, but a classroom's important because when you've got to study, you've got to study. I want to thank you for making the effort of joining me and coming through. Don't forget, now you are alumni of the summer school. That means free invites to my dinners, free invites to my other events, which might be just cocktails, drinks, or whatever. I'll be sending you those. Zoom calls one-to-one with me so we can go over to make sure you understood and appreciated anything. If there's any questions, I'll go through those. Live US trading webinar just for summer school participants so we can follow up with the education, reinforce it so it's not forgotten, so you're not left on your own. You've got the online vault with all the slides and everything else in there and all the data and the information. Plus you've got the 3 free online courses and the logins will be sent to you shortly if you've not already got them for those. So the education continues and it allows you to go more in depth on the things that we covered over those 2 days. So don't forget, it's ongoing, a lot of complimentary stuff forever basically. So it's the gift that keeps on giving. So once again, thank you for joining me out here. I really appreciate it. And welcome to the Great Investing and Trading family. Thank you.